The highest education is that which does not give the information but makes our life in harmony with all existence. When you enter the school, you are a scientist, you are an explorer, you are loved, you are respected, you are a friend, and you are the reason we are here. With this beautiful thought, we begin the first day of our academic year. Honorable Patron, respected Vicar General, distinguished correspondent, principal, headmistress, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. With great joy and immense excitement, I feel prolonged to extend a cordial welcome to all for this virtual inaugural section.
Give thanks to the Almighty, proclaim His greatness, and tell the nation what He has done. The Lord in His benevolence has gifted us this wonderful day. So, let's evoke God's devotion and the spirit of serenity through an invocation prayer dance as it brings us more closely and intimately connects each one of us with God. Our friends are here with the graceful moments to bring the heavenly bliss.
Everything big starts with something small. Nothing great is achieved easily. Nothing can be done except little by little. Small opportunities are often the beginning of great enterprises. Let's begin this academic year invoking the blessings of God by lighting the lamp of success, aspiration, and positivity. The admiration of genius makes one aspire for excellence in life that creates a harvest so abundant. Example moves the world more than doctrine. We feel profusely elated to recognize the valued presence of the valiant guest of the day, His Excellency Ma George Rajendran, SDB, Bishop of Thakkale Diocese, a sculptor of human character, an ideal thinker, a Scasian scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge. We humbly request our patron to inaugurate the scholastic year.
பாசம் நிறைந்த மாணவ செல்வங்களே, அன்பு பெற்றோர்களே, மதிப்புக்குரிய இருபால் ஆசிரிய பெருமக்களே, இன்று திரு இருதய மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளிக்கூடமானது தனது 2021-22 கல்வி ஆண்டினை துவங்குகின்றது. இந்த நன்னாளிலே மாணவர்கள் மற்றும் பெற்றோர்களாகிய உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த இணையதளம் மூலமாக சந்தித்து இந்த கல்வி ஆண்டினை துவங்கி வைப்பதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். கொரோனா தொற்று பரவல் காரணமாக இவ்வாண்டும் நாம் இயல்பாக பள்ளிக்கூடம் வராமல் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சூழல் அமைந்திருக்கின்றது. இல்லங்களிலேயே பாதுகாப்பாக அமர்ந்து பாடங்களை கற்றுக்கொள்ள அரசும் அரசை சார்ந்த துறைகளும் நமக்கு அறிவுறுத்தி இருக்கின்றன. ஏனென்றால் இந்த நோயின் பரவல் அதிகமாக இருக்கின்ற காரணத்தினால் நாம் நம்மை தனிமைப்படுத்திக் கொள்ள வேண்டும், பாதுகாத்து கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்பதற்காகவே நாம் இல்லங்களிலேயே அமர்ந்திருக்கின்றோம். வெளியே வரக்கூடாது, தேவையான விஷயங்களுக்கு மட்டுமே வர வேண்டும் என்று ஊரடங்கு சட்டம் நிலவில் இருக்கின்ற இந்த சூழலில் வெளியே வருவதற்கோ அல்லது கூட்டமாக கூடுவதற்கு மட்டுமே ஊரடங்கு பிரகடிப்பிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கின்றது. ஆனால் கல்விக்கோ அறிவுக்கோ வாசிப்பதிலோ இப்படிப்பட்ட இந்த நல்ல பழக்க வழக்கங்களுக்கு பண்புகளுக்கு ஒரு கட்டுப்பாடுமே இல்லை. நாம் எங்கெங்கு இருக்கின்றோமோ அங்கங்கே கல்வியையும் படிப்பினையும் அறிவினையும் வளர்த்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய சுதந்திரம் நமக்கு இருக்கின்றது. அந்த ஒரு மனநிலைமை இன்று பிள்ளைகளாகிய உங்களுக்கு இந்த கல்வி ஆண்டு நாம் துவங்கி வைக்கும் பொழுது இருக்க வேண்டும். எனக்கு படிப்பதற்கு அல்லது புதிய விஷயங்களை அறிவதற்கு ஒரு தடையுமே இல்லை. நான் இருக்கின்ற இல்லத்திலும் அல்லது அந்த இடத்திலும் இருந்தே எனக்கு புதிய விஷயங்களை கற்றுக்கொள்ள முடியும் என்ற ஒரு ஆழமான ஒரு நம்பிக்கை உங்களுக்கு அதிகமாக இருக்க வேண்டும். இந்த நன்னாளிலே அன்பான பிள்ளைகளே, அன்பான பெற்றோர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவரையும் நான் வாழ்த்துகின்றேன், பாராட்டுகின்றேன். குறிப்பாக பெற்றோர்களாகிய நீங்கள் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு தங்களுடைய அறிவு சார்ந்த வாழ்வு வளம் பெற வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக ஏராளமான விதத்தில் உங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகளை நீங்கள் வளர்த்துகின்றீர்கள், ஊக்குவிக்கின்றீர்கள். அவர்களுடைய வளர்ச்சியில் நீங்கள் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றீர்கள். இதுவே பெற்றோர்களாகிய நீங்கள் உங்கள் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு கொடையாகும். அதுபோலவே உங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகளுக்காக நீங்கள் ஜெபியுங்கள். நமது பள்ளிக்கூடமானது பிள்ளைகளுடைய வரவு இன்றி இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த சூழலில் உங்கள் யாவரையும் அன்பு பிள்ளைகளே, நாங்கள் பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆசிரியர்கள் மற்றும் தாளாளர் தந்தை, முதல்வர் சகோதரி அவர்கள் எல்லோருமே உங்களை நினைக்கின்றோம், உங்களுக்காக நாங்கள் ஜெபிக்கின்றோம். தொடர்ந்து நீங்கள் நலமாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் இருக்க வேண்டும் என்றும், இன்று நீங்கள் துவங்குகின்ற இந்த அறிவு சார்ந்த இந்த பணி, இந்த கல்வியானது மென்மேலும் வளரவும் நீங்கள் அதிகமாக உங்களுடைய ஆசிரியர்களோடு ஒத்துழைக்க வேண்டும் என்றும், அதற்காக தனிப்பட்ட நேரத்தை நீங்கள் செலவிட வேண்டும் என்றும் கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றேன். அதையெல்லாம் தவிர்த்து நீங்கள் ஜெபிக்க வேண்டும். ஏராளமான மக்கள் இந்த நாட்களில் இந்த நோயினால் பாதிக்கப்பட்டு அவதியுறுகின்றார்கள். சிலர் இறந்திருக்கின்றார்கள். அவர்களுக்காக நாம் ஜெபிக்க வேண்டும். ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் இவ்வாறு இருக்கும் பொழுது ஆண்டவர் நமது முயற்சிகளை ஆசீர்வதித்து நல்ல ஒரு கல்வி ஆண்டினை நமக்கு கொடுப்பார் என்பதில் சந்தேகமில்லை. ஒருமுறை கூட உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் புதிய கல்வி ஆண்டின் எல்லா வாழ்த்துக்களையும் பாராட்டுக்களையும் தெரியப்படுத்திக் கொள்கின்றேன். இறைவன் நம் அனைவரையும் நிறைவாக ஆசீர்வதிப்பாராக. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Life will sometimes feels like a fight. The punches, jabs and hooks will come in the form of challenges, obstacles and failures. If you stay at the right and learn from those past fights, at the end of each round, you will be still standing. I feel honor bound in requesting the Vicar General and Manager of Metric Schools of Takkala Diocese, Very Reverend Father Thomas Pathu Parambal, to felicitate the virtual audience.
The most respected Bishop, His Excellency Mar George Rajendran, Very Reverend Father Densi Mundunadakil, Reverend Sister Bindu, Reverend Father Abhilash, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, Dr. Godwin, faculty members, parents, my beloved students. A great wishes to you all. I am so much proud to be present at this auspicious occasion of the academic year inauguration of Sacred Heart Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Even though our space is limited to the monitors, I am sure that there is a bond which unites us together called education. We start the new academic year with the hopes and dreams. No matter how limited we might be, we will do our best to achieve what we call dreams. As our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam defines, dreams, dreams, dreams. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. Surely, your habits will change your future. School education is the best medium which enables us to dream our future. Education is like the light illuminates the darkness of ignorance, and resulting knowledge is the supreme possession, because it cannot be taken away from us, even by the most skilled thieves. It guides us through all our difficult times. We all know that the world has been drastically transformed by this corona pandemic. There were chances in which we could not have blocked by the limitations and the restrictions caused by the same. But I am so much proud of your school and the team who have decided to swim against the current of waters to bring the children on the shore of success. I am sure that you will experience an integral mode of knowing and communicating in this new academic year, which will be realized through our sharing, determination, and investment. Our society needs people who can share their ideas, knowledge, and capacities with other people. But as an empty pot cannot pour water, we won't be able to share ourselves if you don't possess the treasures of knowledge. Our education system helps us to be capable of sharing. Strong determination is a sign of the best student. hard work is the key point to strong, determined life. As Colin Powell says, a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work. School life is a period of our investment for the future. Whatever we comprehend during this period helps us to mold a strong heart, to fight against evil which may face in our future. Dear students, you are blessed by being a member of this temple of learning. Make use of the opportunities provided in the school. Be disciplined in your life. Accept the good counsel of your school management, teachers, and parents, so as to maintain a good learning atmosphere in your life. In this modern world, of course, a lot of distractions may come to your life, whether you are willing or not. But my dear children, learn to insulate yourself from all these type of distractions. At this juncture, what to remind you is, freedom is nothing but constant vigilance over yourself. So be always vigilant to take care of yourself. I wish you all success in this new academic year, which you commence today. I remember in a special way the management, the teachers, non-teaching staff, and parents. I place a great appreciation and congratulations to Reverend Father Densi Mundunadakil, the correspondent, and his team members, Reverend Sister Bindu, Reverend Father Abhilash, faculty members, and supportive staff for their tireless service offered to our children, and the outstanding achievements in the field of education even in the pandemic period. Let me conclude with the words of Kothari Commission. The destiny of India is being shaped in classrooms. Education with a difference can make a nation a difference. Once again, I wish you the year 2021-22 will be a bright and prosperous year for you. God bless you.
Dance is a movement, painting, party, and coordination of moves. It is a window to a large life and culture. Charming performance coordinates with body integration and feels oneness of rhythm to amuse with peace. Here are the charming sizzlers of Sacred Heart School with an eye-catching performance.
పచ్చందనమే పచ్చదనమే తొలి తొలి వలపే పచ్చదనమే పచ్చిక నవ్వుల పచ్చదనమే ఎదకు సంగతం చెయ్యి పచ్చందనమే పచ్చదనమే ఎదిగే పరువం పచ్చదనమే నీ చిరునవ్వు పచ్చదనమే ఎదకు సంగతం చెయ్యి ఎదకు సంవతం చెలిమే ఎదకు సంవతం చెలిమే కలికి చిలకమ్మ ఎర్ర ముక్కులే పిల్లవాకు పూవె పూసిన ఎర్ర రోజా పూత గులాబీ పసిపాదం ఎర్రాని రూపం ఉడికే కోపం ఎర్రాని రూపం ఉడికే కోపం సంధ్యావర్ణ మంత్రాలు వింటే ఎర్రని పంట పాదమంటే కాంచనాల జిలుగు పచ్చ కొండ బంతి గోరంత పచ్చ 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 మసకే పడితే మరకత వర్ణం అందం చందం అలిగిన వర్ణం సఖియా చెలియా కౌగిలి 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 చెలి పన్ను సఖియా చెలియా నీ ఒంపే సంపే తొణికిన తొలి పన్ను అలలేని సాగర వర్ణం ముయిలేని అంబర వర్ణం మయూరగళమే వర్ణం గుమ్మాడి పువ్వు తొలి వర్ణం ఊదాపు రెక్కలపై వర్ణం ఎన్ను చేరేని కన్నె గగనం నన్ను చేరే ఈ కన్నె భువనం
The best and beautiful in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by our heart. I request our respected principal, Reverend Sister Bindu Chako, to do the honor of felicitating the gathering.
Dear students, teachers and parents, a very good morning to all. Hope you are doing well and taking care of yourself during this pandemic time. Today is a significant day as it is the first day of the academic year 2021-22. Though we have already started our classes in the first week of June itself, the bridge course, which is said to be the revision classes, it is today that we officially start the academic year 2021-22. On this auspicious day, I am glad to welcome you all to Sacred Heart Matriculation Higher Secondary School virtually. Welcome back, dear students, to your school. There are many newcomers in almost all the classes. A warm and hearty welcome, dear freshers. As you know, due to the spread of coronavirus pandemic, we have decided to move all our teaching and learning process through online the last year. And today, I'm proud to say that we have completed the year successfully without any interruption. Our skilled and dedicated teachers made it more enthusiastic and interesting. Our students and parents cooperated well. Thus, it became a successful year. It is appreciated well and rated well by many of our parents. And as you know, it's an open platform. It is rated well by many others too. So I take this opportunity to congratulate our efficient teachers, also our dedicated students and parents for making the last year a successful one, the first attempt of our virtual learning. As the pandemic situation continues, our first priority is the safety and well-being of the school community. Then, to provide quality education to our students. Therefore, it is clear that this year too, we have to follow the same mode of teaching and learning process. We are ready with more enthusiasm and with great planning, and we are already in it. From our past experience, we know well that it is not an easy job at present context. We have a lot of limitations at home and around. Dear students, still we have to move on. Therefore, I request you to pay full attention to the classes. Appreciate your teachers' great efforts and get benefited out of it. Success belongs to those who do hard work. Dear students, we are born to win the game. To be a successful person, keep in mind 3 Ds: discipline, dedication, and determination. Be a disciplined student. Be a dedicated student. Be a determined student. The success will come after you. Be responsible and sincere in all your endeavors. Let's together say, Sacred Heart of Jesus, we place our trust in Thee. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.